between literature and history, what would you choose? So these are the two and most common, hardest kind of subject that some of my study students in my class don't like. So let me tell you this: between literature and history, history is also have a lot of information to learn. So does literature too. Literature is kind of like a subject for you to improve your kind of like writing in essays and improving your words when your communication with others people. You need to find out like which word you are having a problem and which word you need to fix. So the problem here is that you need to like understand and show how that you could really probably know that maybe between literature and history. Yep, history. So in Vietnam, history, there are like history and biography. They are in together. So that means if you not just only we study only history, but we also study biography, biology. So one day we will learn like if we could learn literature, we could know about biology too. For example, in a week, we will have 2 lessons of histories and biology. So the first lesson we will learn about history, and the second lesson we will learn about biology. What about literature? Literature usually we have like 4 lessons at 1 week. So one day we have 2 lessons, and that means we will have to like do a lot of work, and we have to write and learn a lot of words, stories, and knowing a lot of things. Most importantly, I understand that most of you guys are constantly really like history and biology more than literature, right? But for me, I kind of thinking that literature is a little bit more easy than history and biology. Every time when you learn about something, it's kind of like if one day you realize that maybe the time when you think that most of the thing you wanted to do, like if like some others may thought that they want to skip history and biology lessons, and some others they want to skip literature lessons for history and biology. Like they want to prefer, because some others they might prefer literature more than history and biology, and some might prefer history and biology more than literature. I think that if 3 of these subjects, if we learn really hard and we need to concentrate every time in class, then we will achieve the thing and get a really high score. Because like if you don't study hard enough, then how can you get like a high score? So probably I'll hope that you enjoy. And thinking that between 3 of these subjects, what do you think which is harder and which is more easier?